Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Prepping for Christmas. We're going to be taking down all of the curtains in the house because we have to give them a nice washing just to finish off the freshness in the home. Everything else has been deep cleaned and it's not completed until all of my curtains and my rugs are also washed. So that's what we're doing today. We had to stop by Yusk for their 60 to 70% off all home and bedding. It was just a sale that I could not resist. I mean, look at this throw. I'm really feeling green this year. Like, I'm not really there for the red yet, but I'm really feeling green. I mean, look at this. This is just beautiful and the price is just amazing. It was a little too small for my king size bed, but this right here with the waffle texture in that cream color, 18 euros. From almost 70 euros to 18 euros. You know, I had to take that home. I did walk around for a minute before I grabbed it, but I went back, okay? I went back and took it. I had to. I was also looking for some like stems for Christmas, but I couldn't find it. But I fell in love with this pot. I mean, I don't know what's up with me, but I'm really starting to feel this more rustic vintage kind of vibe. I don't know why, but I'm really falling in love with those tones and shades. They're calling my name now for some reason. Could you believe that this pot was only for 12 euros and some change? What? What? Nice. Of course, we had to go grocery shopping. That's the reason for our whole trip, but I had to stop by yours because that sale, I wasn't missing that. Not this year. So let's get into a really quick grocery haul because we did do some more shopping this week. Just the little stuff that we needed and we forgot the last shopping time. So let's just get into this quick haul. Flour, chicken broth, garlic powder, baking powder, tuna, some donuts for the hubby, coffee, my favorite Christmas cookies, pretzels, bread for breakfast, some tea bags, my coffee mix in the flavor caramel, baking paper, baking sheets, yogurt, of eggs, Kaiser's cheese, jam, salad dressing, oil, milk, some tissues for the nose and whatnot. We have some apple juice, more milk, some vinegar, orange juice, some tomato sauce, because you guys know I love this in my rice or anything with a tomato base, cream cheese, and sandwich meat, deli meat, some butter, salad, bell pepper, some cheese for our pizza. I also have some yeast for when I'm baking my breads and cinnamon rolls and all that good stuff. And some iron tablets. I gotta keep up with my iron, y'all. And that's it. Yep, that's it for this grocery haul. And of course, you guys know we bought a lot of meat last week, as well as we bought some water, but I didn't show you guys that, but we bought some water again. And that's it for this haul. So let's put up everything. As for home items, I got this pillow cover from Kick for $3.99. I also saw one from Yosk, but they came with the cushion and I didn't want the cushion. Of course, this waffle throw is from Yosk. I told y'all I was taking it home. I was not joking. I wasn't leaving that in the store. And we also brought home a mattress topper just to help us with our back, because y'all, we needed a new one. We stopped on over to Globus Bauhaus and we picked up some ribbon for our Christmas presents. As you guys can see, these ribbons are two completely different shades of gold. That's because I couldn't find either or in a set of two, so I just grabbed each one of them and took them home with me. They were for €79 or under €2. I know that for sure. I also picked up these black ornaments from Globus Bauhaus. I could not leave these. These were so pretty and so affordable. I had to take them because I didn't really want to sit down and paint all of those ornaments, y'all. I didn't want to. And these come in like a glossy or a semi-gloss finish, as well as a matte finish. And y'all, these are glass. Who am I? Glass ornaments, really? But you guys can see the vibe for this year. I wanted to do red, but I wasn't sure that I felt the red this year. I was really leaning more towards green and black, so I had to pick up those black ornaments, especially because hubby was like, babes, this definitely looks like us. We also picked up some Christmas wrap or present wraps, and these were very, very cheap. These were for like 59 cents each. They were very affordable, so we got 4 of them. And of course, y'all saw this in Yosk. I couldn't leave it. I could not. Like, look at the shades of gray and brown. I had to take that home. I couldn't leave it. And I think this was for 27 something. And also we got our advent calendars. And this one is a cocktail mix for hubby and I. I cannot wait to pop these open. And now it is time to introduce the Christmas tree to the living room. Yes, I said introduce because we're not decorating in this video. We're going to put up the Christmas tree and the lights and make sure it's nice and fluffed and looking proper for her decorations later on down. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming decorating videos. I know y'all are ready for some Christmas decor. So until then, remember to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button and like it if you did enjoy. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, Auf Wiedersehen.